Hi guys, welcome to today's videos. Customers saying that there is a tickling noise. So we are checking the car. It's a Corvette C7 2014. So let's check it together and see what is the problem. We have scanned the car with the OBD reader to check if there is any faults in the car, but we didn't find any faults. That means the problem is a mechanical problem and we have to inspect it mechanically. So to complete our diagnose, we checked by the computer, but there is no faults. Then we have a mechanical issue. Then we will open the car and check the engine belt. If there is something loose, something bad, we're gonna check it together right now. We will start removing the air filter so we can have some space. As you can see, the car doesn't have any space. We need to remove the air filter to see the belt. And now we have access on the belt. We're gonna remove the belt and check the tensioners and the pulleys. Sometimes if they are damaged, they're gonna make these sounds. As we can see, the belt is good. Doesn't need change. He can keep it to the next service. Now he's removing the tensioners. I think he inspected that there is an tensioner not good. We are removing it to inspect it outside. Now, as you can see, we have removed the tensioner. There should be plastic cover here that prevent the vibration to make any sounds while the belt is moving. But now, as it's metal to metal contact, this is the sound you hear it while you are driving the car, and some mechanics may tell you it's an engine sound, and you lose a lot of money. And the solution is very easy. It's just a tensioner for 400 dirham. In this case, it's 400 dirham. Let's see the new part that we bought it, original, of course, part. There is a rubber here missing, and this rubber is damaged. That's why it's making this sound. Because of this rubber is damaged. They usually break like around 30 to 40,000 kilometers. It's a serviced part, not a big deal. It's easy to change. But when it breaks, it makes a lot of noise that you may think it's another thing, another issue. But no, it's a simple thing. Just with the right diagnosis, you can find the problem and save your money. As you can see, the new part have new rubber gaskets, and if you vibrate it, it's not gonna make any sound because the rubber is absorbing the vibration of the belt that makes no sound, that makes the engine very clear when it's working. As you can see, no more sounds. Now we're going to fix the new part and we'll see if the noise will go away. But of course it will go away. Now we're fitting the new tensioner, as you can see, fitting it as originally it was. Hopefully no more sounds you will hear it from this engine. As you can see, we finished the tensioner. Now we will go to the belt. We're gonna fix the belt and gonna fix the air box, engine air filter box. Now the mechanic is checking to see if there's any other issues there. Now we're fitting the belt, as you can see. Now we are fixing the airbox, as you can see, tightening the screws, making sure everything is good and tight. Actually, after we finish the work, we usually clean down the engine to make sure the customer is happy with the fix and his new cleaned engine. Engine bay is now nicely cleaned, and we're gonna turn the engine on now to see if the sound have gone away or there's still any sound. As you can hear now, the tickling noise has been gone and the car is ready to go, and we cannot hear any sounds, only we can hear the engine sound. This is the proper sound. Today the repair have been completed. Thank you for watching the video in Do a Garage, and see you in the next video.